When the client told me they wanted a Brutalist-inspired home, I got excited. I thought to myself that this is going to be different. A new playground for me to explore the different sides of this approach and give a little bit of uniqueness to it by adding Filipino touch through materials and by supporting local makers. This home is around 250 square meter in floor area. Starting off with the ground floor, we have the foyer right next to the entrance, a powder room that is easily accessible by users and their visitors, a grand living room, a dining area for intimate gatherings, and a spacious kitchen. Not to forget, this concrete dream home is surrounded by landscape as well. There's a glimpse of curiosity whenever we see emptiness in an open layout type of home. Brutalism embraces this concept, wherein we don't fear empty spaces but use these corners as a focal point and a space to breathe. The foyer serves as a welcoming feature, and we designed the console cabinet with another functionality in mind. This also serves as their shoe cabinet. We opted to go for something subtle that still matches the whole theme. The powder room is a mixture of concrete and terrazzo, creating contrast and texture within a small space. Since this area is specifically designed for visitors, we opted to use a sensor faucet to avoid leaving the faucet on incidents and used ambient lighting for a hotel-like approach. This home demonstrates an open layout type where the living room, dining room, and kitchen can be seen in one view. Taking advantage of the large open space we're given with, we designed a custom curved sofa that can be a great spot for 6 to 8 people to lounge. This space is the perfect area to put iconic chairs, so we went for replicas of Pierre Jeanneret's kangaroo chairs that give a dynamic touch to the area. I designed this space as a dedicated gallery wall, where an artwork by Irish Pan, a local abstract artist, can be seen as the focal point. Matching it with the brutalist concept, the client and the artist went for emerald greens, earthy tones, and a splash of gold, something reminiscent of nature. One of the things that I personally love about this project is the natural lighting. The natural light gives so much life to the space, and considering that the windows are operable, this makes the home sustainable and cost-efficient to the client. The pocket garden is also an eye-catcher, bringing in nature closer to indoors. The dining area is an artwork itself, an 8-seater dining table in solid wood, stained to match the color scheme of the kitchen. We went for something a bit playful here with the seating and tried to mix and match the chair designs and added bench for flexible seating options. The chair and bench match the ones in the living room, with a little touch of Filipino by using solihiya material in our furniture. The kitchen is a home itself for the client who loves to cook. This space stores a lot of condiments, pots, pans, you name it. Designing the space with a kitchen triangle in mind, I planned each section as to how people usually use their kitchen workspaces conveniently. We have the pantry, where we store snacks and canned food. This can be easily accessible when someone is in the dining or living room. Next to it is the refrigerator, where the user can easily remove the ingredients and wash it in the apron sink we have here. Since we have a lot of workspace here and in the island counter, the user can conveniently prepare even in massive servings whenever they have visitors. Then once it's ready, they can easily cook it in the stovetop. The second floor consists of a hallway where an area can be converted into a small reading corner or a gallery wall in the future. We have 2 bedrooms here with their respective bathrooms, the master bedroom and bedroom 1, where we can see a little bit of the client's personality shining through. The first bedroom embraces curves and warm palettes. We have a queen-sized bed with a half-circle headboard leaned against the beige concrete accent wall. The client opted to go for something quirky, so we got these cute acrylic side tables that can also store books and magazines below. We also have this statement desk, flaunting curves but not short of functionality and storage. Behind the barn door is the bathroom and walk-in closet. Making sure that everything has its place, the wardrobe is custom made to the client's needs. The bathroom is also a mixture of concrete, terrazzo, and wood, an experimental yet playful approach to the Brutalist design. Going to the master bedroom, this safe space is in theme with the rest of the house, with wood and concrete as the main duo. One of the things that I also love about this room is a skylight where the client can view the greenery outside as they enjoy a slow day in Pampanga. The custom king-size bed takes the center stage, and we use fluted panels to create contrast between the two textures. The ensuite is also never short of space. We have a concrete lavatory with good lighting, as they can use this as a vanity space as well, and also a shower space with ceiling-mounted rain showers similar to the other bathroom. This residential project gave me a new perspective on brutalist interior design, especially in the Philippine context. While most of us resonate brutalism with being vulnerable and heavy, we can also find home in its concept.